viewers. How are you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good day, whatever time of the day it is. Today, God is good. And remember to put God first in everything. Today, I'm going to make some turn cornmeal with coconut milk. Okay, guys? So just look what I'm doing. All right? Yes. And this is the coconut. All right, guys? And for those, most people they are using the coconut milk. They buy one, either the dry one or the liquid one or from the tin. But I'm just showing you what the coconut is all about. This is the shell of the coconut. And this has a lot of benefit and a lot of use. Okay, so this is the shell. For those who don't know it. So we dig it from here. You can see a piece of the coconut left here. So I'm going to use, well, this is garbage, but people use it to do a lot of things. Okay. So this is from the shell. So I'm going to blend the coconut, and this is my cornmeal, margarine, and these are my seasoning. This is the salt, Maggi seasoning, pimento, and papaya seed. Okay, and over here I have my seasoning here, and this is my rosemary that I boiled. So my pot is over there waiting. Okay, guys. So this is all washed. So I'm going to, and it's good to use your warm water. I have some warm water, not too hot, just warm. I'm going to blend. I'm going to put the rest in. And guys, turn caramel is so nice. It is so nice. You can see it. And I'm going to put some more water in this and wash it off. Okay. There is my pot, guys. I'm going to throw my coconut milk in it. Use the warm water, guys. So to get out the juice, I juice it 2 times. Okay. So guys, in the meantime, while it's getting ready, I'm going to put my scallion, my pepper, and I have my rosemary and thyme. A little pimento in it. So I'm getting it all ready now. Putting a little salt, guys. A little Maggi seasoning. Not much. And if you want to put margarine in, you can. Just a little. Not much. Okay, guys. We have to watch our cholesterol. All right, so it's going to stay there and boil. All right. So you can see my pot is here boiling. I'm just showing you how I make my turn cornmeal. So I'm going to take out some of this water, put it in a pot over here, and I make this boil like a 10, maybe a 8 minutes. The coconut juice, I make it boil maybe about a 8 minutes. Okay, so I think what I do, I'm taking some of this water out. All right. All right, guys. So I'm going to put my cornmeal in. So normally what I see they do, they wet the cornmeal. This is a new style I'm seeing coming, but I just know about the old time style. They wet the cornmeal and then they put it in the pot. But what I do, I just put the dry cornmeal in there. So if you know about this new one of wetting the cornmeal, just make a comment and let me know. Okay, guys? Just let me know about it. But I saw them making it, but I've never tried, so I have to try it before and then I tried and let you see. Okay, so I'm going to put my dry cornmeal in. But in the meantime, you have to keep stirring like this, guys. I have to do like this, and this is what I do, and I stir it out. And if it's too much water in it, I put a little bit more cornmeal in it. So I have to keep stirring it like this and gauge my fire in the meantime. Let's see. Oops. Wait. I have to get my pepper out. You can see, guys. I have to mix out the dry one, the dry part of the cornmeal. I have to do it like this. You can see, guys, it's a bit dry. So what I do, I'm going to take some more of this water and do it like this. Just stir again. And remember, you can spice it up to what you want. Okay, but it have to be cooked properly, guys. See? There's no dry meal in it. You can see. So I have to take out the pepper because I don't want it to burst. And as you go, you tip a little water in there. Okay, guys? So you do like this. So you're going to let it stay there and steam. Gauge your fire, make sure you turn on your fire because it will burn and don't cook. All right? So I'm going to let it stay there, and so I'm going to cover. Okay, guys? And it stay there like you can cook it for an hour. Depends. Okay, guys? Yes, guys. Yes, my subscribers and viewers, how we doing? Hope everything is okay. You can see I have to put some more in it. And guys, these take a lot of water. Depends on the amount, but it takes a lot of water. Okay? You don't have to put in your water at one point. You take time and let it stay there and cook. See? Make sure there's no lump. And this goes with anything at all. Anything. Anything at all this one goes with. Any meat, any veggies. Because I'm going to eat this with some cabbage and chicken. Right? You can see. Alright, so you're gonna stay there. And I have some more water leave. So in the space of an hour, that water will be finished. But you have to make it cook properly. Guys, this is my final water. All right, so I took out the pepper because I don't want it to be burst. I don't want no burst pepper in here. And guys, let me know how you turn your cornmeal. Make a comment and tell me how you make your turn cornmeal. All right, the real Jamaican turn cornmeal way. So that's the final water. And I say this will take like an hour to cook. All right. You see? Tastes good, guys. Smell good also. All right. Make a comment on my turn cornmeal. Is this the way you turn your cornmeal? Or do you put in dry or what? But this is the original way I know how to cook the cornmeal. And then you gauge your fire and let it stay there and cook. So in the next time around, it will be the cooked cornmeal. And I say this take an hour to cook. All right. Love you guys. Love you guys. You can see, guys, it's very moist. It's not dried. But if you want it to be dried more, that's okay. But this one is moist. You have to keep stirring. If you don't stir, it will burn. Let me know if it's this the way you take care of your turn cornmeal. Let me know how you make turn cornmeal rather. All right, put it in my comment how you make turn cornmeal. My viewers, my subscribers, just let me know if I saw it make. Okay, guys. All right. So my turn cornmeal is ready now. So I'm going to share it and let you see. Okay. Let me know if you ever eaten this before and how is the texture looking. All right, guys. Does it look dry or does it look moist? Just let me know in the comment. I'm going to share now. So my viewers and my subscribers, this is my finished turn cornmeal, all right? And I have some meat here and veggies, so I just put it with it. Okay, guys? So remember, guys, thanks again for watching my videos. Thank you very much for subscribing. Big up yourself. Make a comment on my turn cornmeal. Does it look dry to you or does it look moist? Or how does it look to you? Okay, guys? And let me know in your comment, guys. And guys, it tastes so good. Big up yourself. Remember, guys, subscribe to my channel, please, and thank you. And to all of my subscribers and friends and family, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the blessings. And I hope the Lord will continue to bless you. Big up yourself, take care of yourself, and make a comment on my turn cornmeal. All right? Back in Jamaica, we call it ton cornmeal, but the proper word is turn cornmeal. Bye bye. Love you. See you in another video.